Imagine stepping into a lush green world, even in the dead of winter. This is the magic of a greenhouse. It's more than glass and plastic, it's a portal to year-round harvests. Picture picking ripe tomatoes in December or snipping herbs while snow falls outside. A greenhouse lets you master your own paradise, nurturing plants through every season. It shields your plants from harsh elements, giving you a head start in spring and extending the season into winter. You can grow exotic crops like citrus and chilies, transforming gardening into a year-round passion. Let's explore setting up this personal Eden, from soil to climate management. We'll discuss the best plants for continuous harvests, keeping your kitchen stocked and spirits high. With a greenhouse, the growing season never ends. It's a commitment that rewards you with flavor, freshness, and the joy of growing your own food. So, let's embark on this journey to create your own year-round garden paradise. The possibilities are endless, and the rewards are bountiful. In a greenhouse, soil is the foundation of success. It's a living community that feeds your plants. Create the perfect mix: 1 part loam, 1 part compost, and 1 part sand for drainage. Layout is key in limited space. Raised beds along the sides are ideal. Leave a central path for easy access and think vertically with shelving for seed trays. Good drainage is crucial. Ensure raised beds have a gravel base. For containers, use pots with drainage holes and stand them on gravel trays. Consider space use throughout the year. A potting bench is essential. Keep tools organized for efficient work. By getting soil and layout right, you lay a strong foundation for continuous harvests. A well-planned greenhouse is a productive one. With these fundamentals, you're set for a year of successful gardening. It's the groundwork that makes all the difference. Your greenhouse lets you control the weather within its walls. Light is crucial. Manage it with shading paint or blinds in summer. In winter, keep glass clean to maximize sunlight. Temperature control is vital. Use vents for ventilation. Automatic vent openers are a great investment. In winter, conserve heat with bubble wrap insulation. Humidity varies by plant. Manage it with ventilation and watering. Increase humidity by damping down the floor. Decrease it with more ventilation. Good air circulation prevents fungal diseases. Daily attention is key. Check conditions every morning. A maximum-minimum thermometer helps monitor temperature. By managing light, temperature, and humidity, you ensure a thriving greenhouse. You become the conductor of your greenhouse orchestra. Choosing the right crops is key for year-round harvests. In summer, grow heat lovers like tomatoes and cucumbers. Train them upwards to maximize space. Mix varieties for continuous supply. As summer fades, shift strategy to extend the season. Sow hardy lettuces and greens for winter. Plant broad beans and peas in autumn for early spring crops. Practice crop rotation to prevent pests and manage nutrients. Rotate crops to enrich soil and avoid disease buildup. Feed plants regularly with balanced liquid fertilizer. Select the right crops, plan successions, and rotate families for a self-sustaining greenhouse. Enhance your meals and quality of life with fresh, delicious food year-round.